Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from May 21st. The biggest things that are coming in the next week or so are a faster version of V7. It will be a little faster and then version 7 will become the default for all users. A new version of style reference is coming. It might not launch with sref random, but David said he's going to double check on that. They're actually going to be testing with the guides and mods today or tomorrow. They're also working on multi-omni references, where you can give it more than one picture as a reference. That will need another week or two to finish. By the end of the month, they will be entering the internal testing phase for their video models. They're still debating on text to video or image to video. I think he said there will be different quality levels as well as different resolutions and speeds. New rating parties are coming. They're trying to improve the default aesthetic of V7, and they're not entirely sure if there will be a rating party for the video model. David said they might release some cherry-picked videos at some point, and their main goal for the video launch is to find the balance between cost and price. And they still need to wait for their new server cluster so they have enough compute power for everyone to use the video model. He said worst case scenario is that the new servers are late, and in that case, they would launch the video model just for the highest paying tiers. He said there's a small chance of version 7.1, but he still wants to push to version 8. He says it would take a few months, but their team is excited because they see the path toward these new models. After the new style reference is released, they're looking at a style explorer. They're also playing with some new voice modes that are faster, and playing with new pro user interfaces, which could be involved with the big batch mode. David said they might do a survey soon around enterprise and API stuff. They need to understand what that could look like, and that might be exciting news for some of you. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. We did a Mad Lib this week. Wide-eyed, pleasant, furry subject, close-up, lithograph, print, color 1, and color 2, and color 3 tones. These were all made with a specific profile --P OV1 SD2R. And I found this prompt over on the Midjourney website, so special thanks to you 16725411358. All of these pictures were made by members of my community, the Future Tech Academy. Check us out in the description below. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.